Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet a simple square coaster using only single crochet stitches. Materials needed: cotton yarn, any color you like. A crochet hook that matches your yarn scissors. Yarn needle. Start by making a slip knot on your hook. Now chain 21 stitches. This will decide the width of your coaster. You can chain more or fewer if you want a larger or smaller coaster. Start your first row of single crochets. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. That's your first single crochet. Continue making one single crochet in each chain across. At the end of the row, you should have 20 single crochets. Chain one and turn your work. Now make one single crochet in each stitch across the row. Again, you should have 20 single crochets. Repeat this same step. Chain one, turn, and single crochet across until your piece forms a square shape. You can measure it by folding one corner to the opposite side. When it forms a perfect triangle, it's square. When you've reached your desired size, you can add a border. Chain one, then make single crochets evenly around all four sides of the coaster. When you reach each corner, make 3 single crochets in the same stitch. This keeps your corners flat and square. Slip stitch to join at the end. Cut the yarn, pull through the last loop, and tighten. Use your yarn needle to weave in the loose ends neatly. And that's it. You've made a beautiful square coaster using only single crochet stitches. Make a few more in different colors. They're perfect for gifts or home decor. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet ideas.